Well, today I'm going to talk about our new lesson. It is Complete IELTS Band 5, Band Score 5 to Band Score 6.5, Academic 1. Unit 1, Starting Somewhere New. Starting Somewhere New. So from the title, we get to know that we want to start from somewhere which is new for us. We ought to learn the new things, the new materials. Okay, starting off. 1. Work in small groups. Match the reasons for studying in a different country, A to D, with the photos 1 to 4. So in this section, we are going to work in small groups. It's a teamwork. You should work in teams, it's better. Match the reasons for studying in a different country. And for studying in a different country from your own country, from your homeland. And these are with the photos. You should match them. So these are the reasons A, B, C, and D. First, to get internationally recognized qualifications. What does it mean to get internationally recognized qualifications? For instance, you have a qualification, okay? And you need to recognize this qualification, enabling you to work in an international group, okay? On which you should be assessed, okay, to get an internationally recognized qualification. Qualifications means ability, capability. Ability, capability for qualification. Recognized means considered, means to put into consideration, okay? And internationally, globally. To get means to achieve. So to achieve a global consideration in your in qualification, in the quality. B, to learn a foreign language. To learn a foreign language, for example, here, and these are the photos. First, you see some students are in the class. Maybe they are not young, but they are happy, they are laughing. In the second picture, there are some graduates. We see number 2 in the right side, and then under it there are some college students, some university student in a campus or wherever. And in the fourth photo, there are 2 maybe students or friends in a house cooking some food, and so on. So we turn back here and see, to get internationally recognized qualifications, to learn a foreign language. Okay, for example, this is a reason. So you should know that, for example, for this reason, to learn a foreign language, what should you do first? You should match them, okay, with the photos. And then to experience living in a different culture. For experiencing of living in a different culture, you need to cope with other people, including other students from universities or other countries, which their origin might be different from you. And D, choice D, to make friends with people from other countries. To make friends with people from other countries. For example, on which photo you find to make friends with people from other countries? Maybe not in the fourth photo, but in the third photo and in the first photo. You see that these reasons are related to these photos, which they are in the class and they are in a campus talking with each other from different nations, different tribes, and groups of ethnicity. So you see them close hand in hand or close to each other. Not hand in hand actually, but close to each other, laughing and and about to experience living in a different culture. Okay, we want to experience a new thing. For instance, we have to okay, living in a different culture. Uh, where should they, uh, for what reason? Okay, for this reason. Okay, and how does it match with a photo here? Experience living in a different culture means having the experience of living, of keeping in touch with other people from different nations. Maybe in this photo, photo 2, photo 1, and at the same time, photo 3, you see that they are experiencing, however, living in a different culture because they are in touch with other students, other people, and so to learn a foreign language. About letter B, to experience to learn a foreign language means to apprehend, to comprehend, to learn a new language. And in this photo, I suppose this is the best photo which relates to letter B, to learn a foreign language, number one and maybe number 3, because, and not number 4, because they are the same ethnicity, from the same tribe. They are, I think, Chinese or Eastern country, are from Eastern countries. To get internationally recognized qualifications, okay? Internationally recognized qualifications A, it also matches with this one 3, 2, because they are probably they are from different nations, and this one number 1. And now to now discuss these questions. Now we should discuss these questions. We should talk about, we should have a conversation about these questions. Okay, what are these questions? Which reason for studying abroad would be the most important? Okay, which reason for studying abroad would be the most important for you? For example, here you should say, for example, if I'm gonna study abroad, the most important reason for me is to learn the new methods of life, and at the same time to find new people around and find new relationships, and I can be a better human being by learning and teaching to other people and learn their lifestyle, their languages, and so on. What other reasons do people have for studying abroad? Maybe when it comes to other people, the reason that they have for studying abroad may be because they have more job security, and at the same time they can be more free for learning the new things, and they can utilize those things in their lives, and so on. So different answers we had considered for number 1 and 2, and until the next video.